Hi, my name's Gary Todd. I'm owner of Happy Rock Landscape Maintenance, and today we're going to talk about mowing. Studies have shown that if you mow at a height of 3 inches, that will help yield a healthier and more green lawn. You want to make sure that you mow often to keep it lush and green. Here at Happy Rock, we mow at least once a week. That also will help yield a healthier lawn. You want to make sure that you mow in different directions every week. Changing directions every week is very important. And you want to make sure that you check your lawn when you're done to make sure that you don't leave any clumps behind or anything, because that's what can cause some yellow spots in your lawn. Also, it's very important that you fertilize. Fertilizing is a must. So you want to get down to Coastal, you want to go talk to an associate there, and they will point you in the direction of the right fertilizer to use for that season. I'm Gary Todd. Happy mowing.